Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the black and white screen in your Windows 10 screen display. So if you just press some wrong keyboard and just your keyboard button and your screen just turn into like this black and white screen, or you have some change some settings and your screen just turn into like this and you don't know how to fix this black and white turn into color position again. So I'm going to show you. So just go to the search bar here and search for color filters. COLOR color filters, and you can see there's a option called turn color filters on or off. So in the second here, so just click there and it will show you a window here called use color filters. So you might just turn on the color filter here and choose the grayscale here. So you just have to turn off the color filters. If you turn off the color filters, and it will just go back to the right position and you can see the color is on again. So black and white skin is not problem anymore. So if you want to use this black and white skin, just turn on the color filters again and you can see turn back into the black and white position. If you want inverted, like if you have problem with the inverted position, reverse color, so just choose here and it will turn to the inverted position. So make sure to turn off the color filters, so this will turn back to normal with the normal color display. So that's it guys, this is how you fix black and white screen problem in your Windows 10 display. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.